today, my grandson Mason, and we made corn dogs. They are beautiful and delicious. We are excited to show you just how we made them. Are you ready to get started? All right, but before we do, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Let us know that you like this video. I'm putting out delicious recipes every single week, and I don't want you to miss out on any of them. So if you hit that notification bell, you will know as soon as I upload a new video. All right, let's show them, Mason. Are you ready? All right, Mason, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make the batter for our corn dogs, okay? So I have, in a mixing bowl here, I have 1.5 cups of cornmeal, and then I have 1 1/4 cups of an all-purpose flour. Can you add this flour to this cornmeal?
A little bit.
Good job. All right. Then we are going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. So add the sugar. Good job. All right, next, Mason, we've got 1.5 cups of milk. And to this, we are going to add our egg. So can you add the egg into the milk?
Mm-hmm.
Drop it in there. Good job. Now what I want you to do is take this little whisk and just kind of mix that egg up in the milk.
Mixing.
Until you can't see that yolk anymore.
Okay. Until the milk is yellow.
Yep. You are doing very good. And while you are doing that, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of melted butter. So keep mixing.
Until it's yellow.
Yep,
It's
mix, mix, mix.
yellow. It's yellow.
Yeah, it's changing.
Yes.
Yeah, you're doing good. Okay, Mason, now what we are going to do is we are going to measure out 1 tablespoon of baking powder, okay? So I'm gonna put my tablespoon in this baking powder. Now, can you add that to this flour, cornmeal, and sugar? Very good. Then we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So that is this little one here. Okay, now you add that. Now you can take this whisk and kind of mix all this together.
This?
Whoa, very slowly because you don't want to.
What is that yellow stuff?
That's the cornmeal. You are doing so good. You keep mixing, and I'm going to pour in this milk and egg and butter, okay? Now go slow. Keep mixing. I'm going to pour the rest of this milk in. Can I help you for a second?
Yep.
Okay. We got to get all of that flour and cornmeal mixed in. Okay, look at that. Okay, Mason, now I'm going to take this batter and I'm going to put it in this cup, okay?
Whoa. I did good mixing that.
You did wonderful. Okay, Mason, so now we've got these sticks and we're going to stick them in the hot dog like I did here. Do you want to try to do one? But you want to make sure that you keep it in the center of the hot dog. And while we are doing this, I have my cast iron skillet with vegetable oil in it, and I've already got it the heat turned on underneath of it because we want our oil to be nice and hot because this is going to go very, very quick. Very good job. You're doing very good. Try to keep it in the center. And then we are going to roll these hot dogs in flour. And the reason why we want to do that is so that the batter will stick to the hot dog. So now you want to roll this in flour. Right, so we want to get the whole hot dog coated with flour, and then we can kind of brush some of that extra off. You roll this one.
Okay. This is the one I did.
There you go. You're going to put this down inside of that cup all the way down. Just like that. And then when we lift this up, we're going to go and put this in the hot oil.
Ooh.
Look at that. So now I'm just going to very carefully drop this into this oil. Okay, I'm putting another one in. We're gonna let these cook until they get nice and golden brown. All right, Mason, are you ready to take these corn dogs out? Do they look nice and pretty? Woo-wee, look at that. Beautiful. And so I've just got a sheet tray over here that I've lined with paper towels to drain the extra grease. All right, are you ready to dip another dog? You dip it, and then I'm going to put it in the oil. Woohoo! Look at that.
That is beautiful.
Is it beautiful? All right, I'm dropping it in the grease very carefully. All right, do the last one.
This is the last one.
All right, get it all the way down in there. Okay, pull it up. Very carefully, Mason. Woo, just like that. All right, these corn dogs are looking pretty done. All right, Mason, you think this one's ready?
Yep.
All right, look at that.
Beautiful.
All right, Mason, I have some ketchup that we can dip our corn dogs in, but what do you think about some honey mustard?
Good.
All right, I'm going to make a honey mustard dipping sauce. Super easy. It just uses some mayonnaise, mustard, and honey. So let's put that together and show them how to make it, okay? Okay, Mason, so I have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, about a tablespoon of mustard, and I'm just using a yellow mustard. Add about a tablespoon of honey. Okay, can you mix this together?
Yep.
Very slowly, just mix that together. Is that looking good, Mason?
Yeah. It's delicious.
All right, Mason, are you ready to eat our corn dogs?
Yep.
All right, let's go for it. I'm dipping mine in honey mustard too. That's my favorite.
Mine too.
These corn dogs are so good. We did a good job. Well, thank you so much for watching me and Mason make homemade corn dogs like they have at the state fair. And I will see you soon with more recipes. Bye.
Bye.